Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get paid per video on TikTok in 2021. If you want to know more, subscribe on channel and watch tutorial to the end. TikTok Creator Fund is now live in the UK, Germany, Italy, France and Spain, and here is how to apply. Creators will need at least 100,000 authentic video views in the last 30 days to be eligible to join the Creator Fund. People from Europe have the opportunity to earn from their hard work and creativity, but tens of thousands of creators across Europe will now be eligible to apply. You will need to meet some initial criteria to assess the Creator Fund. You must be based in the UK, Germany, Italy, France and Spain. Be 18 years or older, meet 100,000 followers, have 100,000 video views in the past 30 days, and post original content in line with community guidelines. How do I apply? Switch your account to Pro account, so you will have analytics. Click on TikTok Creator Fund. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you will see an option to apply. Confirm you are over 18 years old. Read and agree to the TikTok Creator Fund agreement. Once approved, you can start earning from the performance of your content. Estimated funds should appear in your Creator Fund dashboard approximately 3 days after the day in which video views were accrued. To assess your Creator Fund dashboard, first go to Profile and select to open your settings. From there, tap a Creator account and then TikTok Creator Fund. You can withdraw funds $10 minimum, 30 days after the month and in which they were accrued, and transfer to your preferred payment method, PayPal. That's it for this tutorial. If it's not available in your country yet, don't worry, you have other opportunities. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe on channel, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next tutorial.